Aloha and welcome to my new channel, Daniel Sullivan Photography. I'm joining you today from my gallery up in Makawao. If you get a chance, please hit subscribe. I really appreciate it. I wanted to tell you about a dive that I did a couple days ago. It was this amazing dive over Lanai. It's a dive I've wanted to do for years. It's called Cathedrals. And it's an area where these vertical lava tubes come up from the bottom of the ocean. There's shafts of light. There's little narrow swim-throughs that you have to go through with the Javanese eels. Javanese eels are the biggest eels on the planet. They're 9 feet long.
Those are the shrieking eels!
Here's the video. Beneath the crystal waves of Lanai, there's a hidden world few have ever seen. Cathedrals of stone, carved by fire, lit by the sun, and guarded by giants. Here, ancient lava tubes stretch into the deep. Coral gardens explode with life, and monstrous eels roam the shadows. Formed by ancient volcanic eruptions, these underwater lava tubes have carved out massive vaulted chambers. Swim through them and light filters down from holes in the ceilings, casting beams like stained glass windows of an old island church. The coral here is some of the healthiest in all of Hawaii. Lanai's isolation has protected these reefs, letting them grow strong. Lanai's cathedrals aren't just about beauty. These lava tubes demand your respect. Tight swim-throughs twist into the rock, narrow and dark, thrilling but dangerous. This had to be one of my favorite dives I've ever done in Hawaii. And though we never got to see a 9-foot long Javanese eel, the dive was just beautiful. The clarity was amazing. Thank you so much for joining me. Please hit subscribe and join me on my next adventure. Mahalo.